Kids, you're here on the movie with...
Are we on movie? Movie mode? Your home, Stevie. Cheers. Thanks again for, hey, wasn't that, Steve? Thanks for bringing me again. Cheers.
Thanks for what?
Thanks for bringing me back again.
Oh, you're welcome, darling. Well, kids, you're back for number what?
Hola, amigo. Back in Playa Blanca.
Yeah.
Third time in Playa Blanca.
And I'm like,
Still waiting to check in. All the masses.
Heather Bernice.
Say hi.
Hi.
How you
Hola. I'm
Hola,
so
darling.
happy to be here. I'm so excited to pee my pants. Good girl. Yeah. That woman's name is Heather Bernice.